but a cattail sway. You pull me close and my troubles melt away. Your laughter rings like a guitar's twang. We're barefoot dancing in the summer rain. The sky's a canvas of gray and white, but with you, every cloud's a delight. We splash in puddles with hearts unchained, 'cause your love's the cure for all my pain. Barefoot in the rain, we're writing our song. With every drop our love grows strong. In this honky-tonk summer we belong. Your love's the cure where I feel wrong. The old jukebox in the shed hums low. We waltz on grass where wildflowers grow. Your arms around me, we're lost in our own. This simple life like diamonds shone. The thunder rolls and the lightning shows, but in your eyes pure comfort flows. Together we dance to hearts unfeigned, in the timbre of this sweet, sweet rain. Barefoot in the rain, we're writing our song. With every drop our love grows strong.